2020 Ford Ranger. With less than 32,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, auto climate control, keyless entry. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.